Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I got a couple of guys that want to talk to you today. One guy that wants to talk about his summer riding gear, since it is late October here and it's getting really cold out. The bike says 46 degrees and I believe it. That poor guy's going to freeze when he talks to you, but anyway. Then I got another guy that wants to talk to you about his winter gear. So stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be gone and they'll be back right after this. Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I've got the cooling equipment, so let's talk about that for just a minute. Anyway, this is cooler gear, again from Cycle Gear. It is meant to be a wicking unit, wicking material, which it does do a good job of that. Right now it's in the mid-40s. I'm freezing my butt off in this. You can really feel the airflow through it, but it does a great job. Like I said, right now it's blowing the air great. I'm actually quite cold. When you're hot and sweaty, it does a really good job of wicking the moisture away and helping take the body heat with it. I've usually worn my mesh jacket with this, my climb pants over it with the vents open. As long as I'm moving, I'm comfortable. But of course, if you're stopped, you're going to be hot. But anyway, like I just said, it does a good job of really soaking up the sweat and helping it evaporate to where this t-shirt never really gets wet per se. But it does really get the sweat away. I know I just sound like a broken record here, but you know, I don't know what else to say. It's really good stuff. If you like it, I'll put links down below to everything, and I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Warm Guy here. Okay, thanks for that. All right, now it's my turn. I want to talk about the warmer gear from Cycle Gear. And obviously, it's gear that's meant to help keep you warm. It's a base layer, comes with a matching top and bottom. And the top does have this big zipper to help put it on and take it off, but for those of you that were in the Navy like I was, this top is almost as hard to put on as your dress blue top. But anyway, it's got this, for lack of a better term, orange stuff that really helps keep the heat in. I mean, today it's a little breezy in the mid-40s. I'm cool standing here like this. Not as cool as that guy though. But anyway, I am comfortable, and it is a great base layer. What I found that I like to do is just keep my cooling gear on under it. And with just my climb pants, the cooling gear, and this, I stay really warm in the legs in the mid-40s. Now I will put some more on up top, like maybe a jacket or sweatshirt as well as my climb jacket. But I'm very comfortable with that. And the sizing chart online, true to size. So take your measurements. I'm 5'8", 170 pounds, and as you can see, it fits kind of snug, but that's what you want. You don't want it to be super bulky. Hope you got something out of this. I know it's pretty short for the warming stuff, but anyway, if you would, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and watch some of these videos over here. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. All right, I hope you liked watching that video. That was actually quite a challenge to make, and if anything, now I get confused. Who am I, the hot guy or the cool guy? I don't know. But anyway, what I did notice, I got bitchy resting face. I should probably try to do something about that in future videos. Anyway, I hope you like that, like the other guy said. Subscribe down below and watch some of these videos over here, and we'll see you later.